Hello everyone and welcome to this video where we will do the face mesh scene. So go back to scenes, and in the sample scene we will just copy and then paste that and label it face mesh, making sure to place it in your build scene, your build settings. So you should have main menu and face mesh over here. And then double click face mesh. And go to prefab and unpack completely, dropping it down. Delete object spawner, screen space overlay, and in the UI, just highlight everything, delete that, and right click the UI and we will add a button. Going back to the UI, scale with screen size, 1920 by 1080. And you can right click on this component, AR template menu, and remove. Goal manager, right click, remove component. So this is all you should have on the UI for now. And then I'll double click the button, make that a bit larger. Label it back. And then make another empty game object called App Manager. And then in the inspector app component, and we'll type in app to look for our script, attach it to that, go back to the button, add an on-click method, add the app manager to that, and we want to go change scene, back to the main menu, making sure you've typed it exactly how it is, you've got it labeled here. And instead of leaving it in the middle of the screen, I will place the button, hold Alt, Shift, and click right bottom. But I will bring it up a bit so there's some space around it. Now we've set up the back button, click the XR Origin AR rig, and we can delete the input action, AR Plane Manager, and AR Raycast. And now we will look for the AR Face Manager. And then we click Main Camera. And in the AR Camera Manager, instead of world, you want it to face the user because it is a face app. And we will leave all the other settings the same. And then in the AR session, we will do rotation only. And then if we go into the basic face filters prefabs, highlighting everything but the face reference, go to the tag in the inspector and label all of them objects. And now we will add a folder called materials. And then right click, create material. And I'm labeling it face mesh purple. And in the surface, in the inspector, surface input by the base map, click the little circle and it'll bring up everything you can place on there. And I'll place this wavy texture here and I'll change the color to purple. You can choose whatever color you'd like. And then go back into assets. And in the hierarchy, right click XR and then AR default face. And we'll add the material to the mesh renderer. Go back to assets and just place the face reference in the scene for a moment. Right click, unpack prefab completely. And I will place a hat in the scene and unpack that prefab. And with the hat, we will scroll down to the animator, click the circle, type in hat, double click props hat, and that will animate the hat once the scene starts. I will move the hat to the top part of the head. And then we will go to particle effects and the basic face filter. And the rain, place that in the scene. I will just unprefab that. And then nothing new is happening right now, but if you click it, you can see the rain happening in front of your face. So I will place that, the hat and the rain, as children of the face reference mesh. And then I will place, well, the AR default face. Put that at 0, 0. Place the face reference in as a child of the AR default face. Then what I'll do is on the face mesh, just untick it. And we will make this a prefab by creating a new folder. Call it prefabs. And then we'll place, drag and drop that into the prefab. Delete that from the scene. Click the XR origin. And then let's just check that we have all the settings correct. Yes, we have the mesh and the hat. So XR origin, drag the face prefab into there. Just make sure we have everything. The event system is good. The UI scale with screen size. The button is connected to changing scene. That will grab the face prefab, making sure it's facing the user. And that is it. Now we can test it and everything should be fine. I just tested it on my phone and it did work, but you may come into issues. What I did was project settings, editor, and then in the device, any Android device, and then refresh, and your phone will be in the drop down list here, and you just click build and run and it'll compile the APK into your phone, and now you can play it. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.